Hey everyone! Is your car suddenly slipping gears or refusing to shift smoothly? Have you noticed delayed acceleration and the dreaded check engine light? If you scanned your car and found the P0876 transmission fluid pressure sensor switch C circuit, don't ignore it. This issue can lead to major transmission damage if not fixed on time. But don't worry, I'll show you where this sensor is located, what causes the problem, and how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. What is DTC P0876? DTC P0876 means that the Transmission Control Module, TCM, has detected a fault with the Transmission Fluid Pressure Sensor, C circuit. This sensor helps monitor transmission fluid pressure to ensure proper gear shifting. When it fails or sends an incorrect signal, your car may experience harsh shifting, transmission slipping, or even limp mode. Common symptoms of P0876. If your car has this error code, you might notice harsh or delayed shifting, transmission slipping, loss of power in certain gears, limp mode, stuck in one gear, transmission overheating, check engine light on sensor and component location, very important, transmission fluid pressure sensor C, TFPS-C. In most vehicles, the TFPS-C sensor is mounted on the valve body inside the transmission. For front-wheel drive vehicles, it's inside the transmission oil pan, near the shift solenoids. For rear-wheel drive vehicles, it is located on the side of the transmission housing, near the hydraulic pressure lines. Transmission Control Module, TCM, usually found inside the engine bay, near the battery, or sometimes under the dashboard. Wiring harness and connectors runs along the transmission housing and connects to the TCM and sensor. Refer to your vehicle's service manual for exact location details. What causes P0876? Some of the common causes include faulty transmission fluid, pressure sensor C, damaged or corroded wiring and connectors, low, dirty or burnt transmission fluid, internal transmission failure, valve body issue, faulty transmission control module, TCM. How to fix P0876. Step 1. Check transmission fluid level and condition. If dirty or burnt, replace it immediately. Step 2. Inspect the TFPS-C sensor. Use a multimeter to test the resistance and replace if needed. Step 3. Inspect all wiring and connectors around the transmission and sensor for damage or corrosion. Step 4. Remove the transmission pan to check the sensor mounting area and valve body. Step 5. Clear the code with an OBD-II scanner and test drive your vehicle to ensure the issue is fixed. Ignoring P0876 can cause severe transmission issues, so if you experience gear slipping, delayed shifting, or limp mode, don't wait. Check the sensor, wiring, and fluid condition immediately. For more car trouble code explanations and fixes, watch these two videos next. P0618, Starter Relay Circuit Low. P0619, Starter Relay Circuit High. This is IG Garage, helping you fix your car like a pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.